Hello and welcome to India Today. This is Hesha Chima, and joining me for a conversation on Not Just a Pretty Face is Not Just a Pretty Face, Urfi.
Hi, how are you?
Very good. How are you, Urfi?
I'm good.
Congratulations. We're obviously talking Splitsvilla also today. So we're going to start off with that before I transcend into why you're here and a part of this show. Speaking of Splitsvilla, we're talking love, we're talking mischief. I want to know what mischief has anybody created in your love life that you still remember and recall?
Okay, I will tell you an incidents. कल का ही बताऊंगी.
अच्छा इतना recent ही हुआ है?
इतना recent हुआ है. You I don't share my love life. You're the lucky one.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's this guy. He was trying to pursue me. So he was telling me that he loves me. He wants to marry me. Blah blah whatever. And then he gifted me a bag which I didn't really want. He just like sent it to my house. I'm like, I don't want it. I don't accept gifts. That's one thing about me. I don't like gifts from guys. तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
अरे वाह.
And then I coincidentally like met his sister, a friend or whatever. They share that bond. And then I told her that he's so. I was kind of praising him that he's so sweet. He sent a bag. He sent some chocolates. Then she's like, "Is it like a brown Versace bag? Versace jeans couture?" I'm like, "Yeah, that was my bag."
Oh my god.
I'm like, "No,
no way.
No ways." I was like,
too much mischief.
Too much. Like, how dare you do that? एक तो first of all, I don't wear such cheap bags. ये इतना cheap मैं carry नहीं करती हूँ. तुमने दिया, मैंने रख लिया. He re-gifted me his sister's bag.
Damn, that's crazy.
That is
madness. But listen, you know, when you've been a part of the show like Splitsvilla, where you're seeing couples, you know, their exes coming in and coming out, have you had nostalgic moments कि भाई इनमें से at least एक दो incidents मेरे साथ भी हो चुके हैं because most of them are relatable, right? हमारे साथ होता है ये.
So with Anika and Lakshya, I could feel Anika that, you know, कि attention नहीं देता था. He always used to say that he's busy. Even my ex was like that. कुछ नहीं करता था तब भी बोलता था busy है.
I agree, mine too.
So it's just about priorities. I could relate a lot to Anika.
But you know, why am I getting this vibe that you're a lot old school also in love as compared to the whole situationship that's ongoing? Is that true or you're oscillating between both?
No. I'm not into situationship. I want a proper relationship. If ever that happens, I don't want anything less than a relationship. I want commitment.
Fab. Most of us want. I hope everybody's listening to that and they're not sending you dirty bags as a makeup present.
And by the way, that guy already had a girlfriend.
Yeah, देखो cheap.
I found out this also. I'm like, अच्छा वो चलो अपनी girlfriend का नहीं दिया bag. But I don't know what is up with men these days.
We'll call him for the next season of Splitsvilla only. I feel he can come as one of the exes.
Oh my god, if he comes, कितनी mischief मैं करूँगी.
Fun to watch.
Amazing. It'll be so much fun for me.
But you know, Urfi, coming back to my conversation and why it's called Not Just a Pretty Face, you've created a brand for yourself beyond your looks, beyond everything else. And today, if there's any comparisons that's drawn for fashion, other than Sonam Kapoor, your name is mentioned. मुझे जानना है कि क्या आपके साथ कभी ऐसे हुआ है just because of the way you look, your intelligence is discounted for?
मैं इतना ध्यान ही नहीं देती हूँ. Honestly, मुझे फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता if my intelligence is discounted for. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अगर रैंडम लोग जिनको मैं जानती नहीं हूँ वो सोचते हैं कि मैं इंटेलिजेंट नहीं हूँ. How does it matter to me?
But you are, right? Because you're making a brand for yourself. How was that journey for you? क्या चल क्या रहा था दिमाग में when you were actually thinking this is how I'm going to crack it?
I wouldn't say I'm intelligent. That's a very. I'm street smart. Intelligent is not the word to be used. I'm street smart.
And I think that's how you've built what you've built for yourself.
Yes, because that's how I've been raised, as in a very conservative, strict family. And then I was out and about when I was 17, so I had to survive. So I'm a survivor. आप मुझे अभी भी बिल्कुल छोड़ दोगे कहीं पे मैं शायद survive कर जाऊंगी. But now the goal is not just to survive, it's to thrive.
Speaking of that, only मुझे जानना है इस point पे where you've achieved the money, you've achieved the success.
I've not achieved the money.
आ रहा है money आ रहा है लेकिन it's not there.
अरे थोड़ा बहुत है पर उतना नहीं है जितना चाहिए.
But that तो हम सबके साथ है ना. If we come to one level, you're like ये नहीं इसको और ऊपर चाहिए.
नहीं यार तो उसका अभी वो level भी नहीं आया है कि मैं और ऊपर का भी सोचूं. I think I earn decent, पर उतना भी नहीं. पर हाँ अच्छा ठीक ठाक है.
Will you keep that expectation from your partner? That he should be somebody who is well-to-do.
No, I don't care यार. तुम बस आजकल तो इतना अभी ऐसे ही सिंगल पूरी जिंदगी कट रही है. इतना अभी एक्सपेक्टेशन जब आप 20 साल के होते तो ये होती है. ये होना चाहिए वो होना चाहिए. अभी तो बस तुम चीट मत करना,
ही दे दो।
बेसिक दे दो बस। तुम मत, मैं घर पाल लूंगी, तुम घर बैठ के आराम करना, बस थोड़ा सा प्यार दे देना। उतना एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं, उतना कुछ नहीं है।
लड़कों से भी उन्होंने होप ही छोड़ दिया ऐसे लग रहा है उर्फी।
होप तो नहीं छोड़ी है, बट आई जस्ट फील लाइक इट्स ओके इफ ही इज नॉट फ्रॉम अ वेल टू डू फैमिली, और क्या फर्क पड़ता है, नहीं भी बस थोड़ा एम्बिशियस होना चाहिए। एज इन ही शुड बी वर्किंग, ही शुड नॉट खाली खलियर ना बैठो, दैट इज इट।
हाउ यू सो चिल मैन?
यार अभी because I think I have people like that around me, like my family is chill, my friends are chill.
So you're also chill?
Chill मतलब sometimes, right now I'm chill, but अभी जैसी cameras off होंगे, I'm on my PMS, I'll start shouting.
Oh, okay. We didn't see that in the first interview, but maybe इसके बाद हो सकता है once the day builds up. But Urfi, tell me this, you know, there was a time when you just started off in your career with your social media game becoming stronger, where netizens did not come out in so much support. Then, cut to now, when Met Gala really happened and can happen, everybody was actually talking about the fact that Urfi should have been there either or.
Yeah.
You know, what do you think has really changed from then to now for you?
I think it's also because I worked hard on myself. मैंने भी अपना थोड़ा फैशन गेम चेंज किया। पहले लोगों को क्या, मुझे ही नहीं समझ आ रहा था मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, सो आई डोंट ब्लेम एनीवन एंड इट्स ओके। I will not let the positive affect me, I will not let the negative also affect me. I have decided some things in my mind and I'm gonna go towards that.
But then isn't it, are you too thick-skinned then to say that even the negatives don't affect you?
Too thick-skinned.
How?
हाँ, मतलब हमें बचपन की ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है माँ बाप को,
मोटी चमड़ी,
रिश्तेदार ही इतना बोल देते हैं कि अभी ये क्या बाहर वाले हम लोग को कुछ बोलेंगे, यहाँ भी नहीं फर्क पड़ता।
But you know, Urfi, tell me, you are somebody who's openly admitted that you love the camera, you love the paps, you love the people looking at you and giving you their attention. But having said that, we're still all women at the end of the day who have certain insecurities, body image issues, all of that. हैं? और अगर है तो कैसे डील कर रहे हो?
जैसे अगर कभी लगता है कि वेट गेन हो गया तो डाइट करने लगते हो, जिम जाने लगते हो, बाकी अगर लगता है कि लिप्स पतले हो रहे हैं फिलर गला लेती हो।
How honest?
Yeah, I get my fillers, I get under eyes अगर लग रहा है तो fillers, botox, सर्जरीज भी हैं तो कभी वो भी करा लेंगे। हाँ, मतलब it's like solution सारी insecurities का I feel.
And then what conversations you have with your head then? कभी low moment पे what is Urvi actually talking to herself about?
For that you have to watch my show on Amazon Prime, which is releasing very soon.
That's why you're very excited about that only. कि जो भी है भी वहीं देख लेंगे.
Because then you'll know the real me. That show is about me. The cameras are following me, so you'll get to know what actually I'm thinking during my low moments.
Have you ever followed any of the Kim Kardashian series?
No.
But you know that you have a similar
Reel पे देख लेती हूँ.
There's a very similar parallel and trajectory that is drawn. People always compare in that manner also, in a good way.
Yeah, and then my family is also like, I have a very large family. A lot of my sisters are like extremely stylish.
मुझे बताओ उर्फी, अभी what are you going to actually thrive for? Is that going to be the fame or is it going to be the respect?
Respect तो क्या करूँ मैं लोगों की, घर नहीं चलता respect से भाई, पैसा चाहिए, fame चाहिए। रिस्पेक्ट तो आपके पास जैसे फेम और पैसा आएगा लोग ऑटोमेटिकली करने लगेंगे।
लोग बदले आजू बाजू में once things changed for you?
सी आजू बाजू के जो मेरे लोग हैं वो वही है, मतलब आई एम सराउंडेड बाय अमेजिंग पीपल, सो वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं बदला है। माय फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली दे स्टिल द सेम।
You know, you've also been somebody who's been a victim of social media trolling. This time around, when a lot of influencers were taken to Cannes and to the Met, you know, they also faced that kind of trolling, where ideally they should have been appreciated for the fact because they went to represent India. What's your thought on that, and why do you think you were not there?
But I have a very controversial thought on it.
What do you think about it?
ऐसा क्या रिप्रेजेंटेशन कर दिया सब, I mean, कुछ ऐसा कोई अचीव करके नहीं गया है। It's part of, they've been sponsored by brands and things like that. It's not an achievement unless your film is being showcased there.
But if you're called for it, would you go?
हाँ, अपनी पब्लिसिटी के लिए जाऊंगी, मैं मना नहीं कर रही हूँ, पर मैं ये भी नहीं बोलूंगी कि मैंने बहुत कुछ अचीव कर लिया है।
But from a fashion point of view, don't you think you deserve that international recognition for our behalf?
डिजर्व तो मैं क्या क्या करती हूँ, डिजर्व तो मैं एक बॉयफ्रेंड भी करती हूँ, अच्छा डिजर्व तो मैं बंगला भी करती हूँ, डिजर्व तो मैं रोल्स रॉयस भी करती हूँ, मिलेगा लाइफ में कभी ना कभी।
Okay, now tell me this. If I'm going to route it back to the show in Splitsvilla, I have to understand if you come back on a second season of, it's a 15th season, but this is your second season, right? What drove you back? Why did you do it?
initially first season I was very hesitant. I didn't want to do it. The team convinced me, and then I enjoyed it there. I loved it. I think I love drama, and I love causing drama. I cannot lie about it.
You cause drama in your real life too?
Yeah.
Like how?
Not knowingly, unknowingly. Like, मतलब रिलेशनशिप में तो बहुत ज़्यादा तुमने मुझे सुबह रिप्लाई नहीं किया 10 मिनट के अंदर blocked okay like you're out of my life and then like I don't know I'm just तुमने मुझे ऐसे बोल दिया कि तुमने I don't know कि ये सही कर लो then I don't know I like causing drama.
What makes you really happy?
Drama.
In relationships also?
Everywhere.
What about money?
That is part of it. Yeah, मतलब drama, money, fame, everything.
You
money
want
makes
it all.
everyone happy. Actually, money makes everyone happy.
You know, you once said in your interview that the sound of your money hitting your account
Yeah.
makes you the happiest.
Amazing.
Has that changed or it's still the same?
It's still the same. I mean, it's better than having.
Urfi, you're obsessed with money.
I'm
I have
obsessed.
to say.
I'm obsessed.
Okay, so is it money first or is it fame first?
Fame के साथ money आता है, money के साथ fame. I think both go hand in hand. I'm obsessed with both.
Tell me something, what going forward do you see yourself doing? I know there's a show, I know there's Spritzvilla, there could be 100 other projects that you could be probably thinking of, but what's your trajectory going forward?
I see myself as an entrepreneur.
Which you are.
No, like a proper entrepreneur. I want to start something of my own. I want to have something of my own. And I see myself as the biggest star. I wouldn't say Bollywood or reality, I just don't know. As a very, very famous person in 5 years.
And who, according to you, is your biggest critique other than your own self?
No one. It's me only.
ज़्यादा ही criticize करते हो अपने आप को।
हाँ, और किसी को ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है. My critique, actually no. The audience. इतने बैठे हुए हैं सब.
पर वो तो आप सुनते नहीं हो ना, ऐसा कौन सा जो आप actually feedback ले लोगे किसी का?
I take feedbacks from my team. The agency I'm with, my PR team. I do take feedbacks from them. They're very nice.
Fair enough. You've got a point there. But I'm going to let you go on this note. Thank you so much, Urfi.
Thank you.
Hoping to chat with you super soon once the show is out.
Yeah, very soon. Very soon.
Very soon. Thank you.